Hi guys, now we are in this BPK Nanami. BPK means babi panggang karo, one of the karos cooking. So it's pork karos, grilled pork. So we're gonna try this for lunch. So this is the pork. Hi. Hello. Itu anda 5 ya itu? Itu anda 5. Itu yang hijau itu apa? Oh, ubi. Oh, sayur. So these are all the pork karos cooking, very famous in Medan. Ini panggangnya, babi panggangnya. Oh, oke. Oh. Ini apa? Namanya apa? Yang ini? Ikan buleng?
Ikan mas.
Ikan mas. Oh, oke. Cewek manis. Hai cewek manis.
Kalau lagi kalah macam begini loh.
So guys, this is our food.
Tambah nasi 3 potong 1.
Selamat makan.
Makan.
Okay, this is babi panggang. And we have the soup. And this one is the badak. It's very famous drink in Medan. Itu sambalnya apa?
Cabai hijau.
Cabai hijau. And this one?
Sambal darah.
Sambal darah. Ox blood sambal. We have a lovely lunch. So we're gonna try the masakan Batak babi panggang Toba for tomorrow. So today is Karo. I see you guys. Hi guys, yesterday we had this babi panggang Karo. Today is babi panggang Toba. So this is Rumah Makan Asido. Let's see what's the difference between Batak Karo's cooking and Batak Toba's cooking. Let's dive in guys. So this is the grilled fish.
Nanti yang bekas yang jemput.
Ini apa mas? Okay, this is ombos-ombos. the fried pork.
Ya, steak.
Huh?
Semua.
Jadi kau mau tambah?
So our food is here. So this is the fried pork. Ini apa?
Ini tubis, babi tubis.
Tubis, babi tubis bagian apa ini?
Bagian
Kaki,
kaki.
hocks, leg,
Ini masak dengan apa? Arsik.
arsip.
Arsik namanya.
Yang ini?
Ini tanggo-tanggo,
Tanggo-tanggo,
babi muda.
babi muda.
Ya.
This is the young porker. Ini masak dengan apa?
Dengan darah.
Darah.
Darah babi.
Ini anda lima.
Ya.
This is the anda lima chili paste. Okay, let's eat. Mari kita makan. This is actually the anda lima. Looks like black pepper to me, but it's not. This one, anda lima. So anda lima is a type of herbs found in the forest, which is very tantalizing and it will make your tongue paralyzed because it's so spicy. Bye. Kasih. So guys, we have tried the two types of babi panggang. Yesterday was Karo and today was Toba. The cooking is very different. So each and every one has its own identity. Babi panggang Karo is more on the grill and Toba is more on the original taste. And I hope that you guys have differentiate between the babi panggang Karo and babi panggang Toba. So I see you guys in my next video. Bye.